The best thing when you're buying the crypto note is to get before the token is out yet. So check this out. I watched this guy, Crypto Andy, or your friend Andy, amazing guy, amazing YouTuber, great videos by the way. If you watch this video, thumbs up. Make sure you watch his video and join his channel. Now, he mentioned 8 crypto notes, and this was just 3 weeks ago, okay? He mentioned 8 crypto notes. Most of them are great, some of them are not good, but the point here, what I want to mention is all crypto notes, what he mentioned, the token is out and the price is down, all right? Now, this one, what I'm mentioning, Galaxy Engine nodes, and I mentioned few days ago, today is only day number 9, all right? Can you see it? Day number 9, all right? Now, the price is 777, but the token is not even out yet, and we earning tokens. So how many tokens we earn, I'm going to show you right now on this video. There are only 3,220 tokens, and do you know what's the notes sold? And do you know what's the best part? I'm going to do giveaway 50 bucks each to 6 people, okay? 1st of February, everybody who is going to use my code, okay, to buy the note, MEXGV1M, make sure you use this code to buy the note. That's pretty cool, by the way. I'm going to send to six lucky winners 50 bucks each, okay? Also, yesterday, if you never watched my video, I sent, where is my video? No, there we go. Okay, I did giveaway. I did giveaway to everybody who leave my comment. So make sure you leave me a comment because I'm doing giveaway all the time, all right? That's how cool I am. Why? Because I believe more you give is more you receive in life. And since we are there, don't forget, no, there we go. Next one, wait, let me just find this one. That just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, okay? This is crypto, we can lose everything. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So the real question here is, Phil, if I get right now this on Polygon network, by the way, you need USDT, the price is 777, use the code, get the note, and you don't need anything else. You don't need software or anything like any other note requirements, okay? You buy, you hold in your wallet, make sure you have your private key, make sure you use a ledger or any hardware wallet, and then you get tokens every single day. Now the question is how many tokens we get every single day, and let's find out. Okay, so this was yesterday, all right, from one of my members who have only one note. I'm trying to track with one note because I have 2 notes now and it's a little bit complex. Now people want to see with one note. So yesterday, okay, there were almost 1,700 tokens. Today, 2,200. So we're still earning 500 tokens every single day. If you join the first day when I mentioned, you're going to make 1,800 tokens, okay? 1,800. Second day, 1,400. Number day 3, 1,000 tokens, and now going down and down. We're still earning a lot, 500 tokens. What is amazing, now the previous notes when I joined Delicium and Sonorous, I was earning around 120, 130 tokens per day, but only in just a week time. In Sonorous I dropped below 100 because the notes are selling fast and I was late for around 3.5 weeks. In Delicium I was earning 150, 140, then 120, 180, and now I'm earning around 50, 60 tokens per day. Now some of these tokens you never know how they're going to perform. Why I like these guys, okay? They have a huge team, okay? If you go to the team, okay, let me just go. By the way, this is the team. Andres Christoph, I'm trying to get this guy for AMA so freaking hard, right? Or some of the team members, all right? They are huge. The team are serious. It's not just one guy. They're like over 25 people, okay? This guy invent the Bitcoin cash machine in Asia. That's crazy. Okay, and there are so many benefits. Look, 3,226. Okay, now there's so many benefits if you have that node. Okay, you're going to get everyday tokens. Go and check the white paper, is huge. But I want to mention is this project is lasting since 2021, and they have the NFT Mike Tyson NFT collection, Steve Aoki NFT collection, okay, NBA NFT Association NFT. All right, they are huge. Okay, they are big. They sold over 225,000 NFT, and the raise they did 32,000 Ethereum on the secondary market. Okay, now they're going to give here a bonus pool. Make sure you read how to get that bonus pool. Okay, participate to unlock GLX bonus pool. Okay, that's pretty cool. So daily GLX bonus pool, launch keys, voting weight. Okay, that is crazy. All right, that's about it. I just want to keep this video short. Make sure when you use my code MXGV1M, and I'm going to do giveaway 1st of February to 6 lucky people, $50 each, everybody who use my code. If you have any question, hit me in the Telegram or let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Goodbye.